Hi, my name is Dr. Jim, and today I'm going to be talking about hip mobility. Okay, so today I wanted to talk about hip mobility because a lot of times when you have low back pain, it actually stems from the hip joints. So within the hip joints, you have what's called hip flexor muscles that allow you to bring the thighs closer to your core and also lifts your leg. So those are the two main actions of the hip flexor muscles. So when those muscles get tight, what happens is the muscles, they pull on your pelvis, so they cause what's called anterior pelvic tilt. So this is your lower back and this is your sacrum. So they should pretty much kind of be about like that. So when you have anterior pelvic tilt, what happens is the bones now becomes scrunched together, and that's where you can cause a lot of pinching, a lot of pain, a lot of muscle tension, and you get low back pain from that. And then on top of that, this changes your posture. So when your posture changes, you now have muscle imbalances, and that's going to cause fatigue of the muscles, certain muscles, and some muscles are going to fire more, some muscles are going to fire less. And then this is all going to cause a mechanical strain on the lower back. So what causes this? So the number one thing is sitting. So if you are working at home or at work and you're sitting all the time, it's going to cause that anterior pelvic tilt, and it's going to cause those hip flexor muscles to be tight. Number two is if you have poor posture. So poor posture is going to play a huge role in many things, and this is one of them. It's going to cause tight hip flexors. And then some other things that can cause the hip flexor muscles to be tight are if you jog a lot or if you are a cyclist. So those kind of put you in that flex position in your hip. So that's going to cause those muscles to shorten as well. So I'm going to go over 3 stretches that you can do to help improve the mobility of your hip and hopefully help take away the low back pain. So this first exercise is called windshield wipers, and this is the position you're going to be. This is a side view. So to start off with, you're going to have your knees slightly bent, and then both of your heels are going to be flat on the floor, and you're going to pivot off of those. So you're just going to bring your knees side to side, try to touch them to the ground if you can. If not, you go as far as you can. And you're just going to do this motion back and forth for about 15 to 20 reps. So this next exercise is called a pigeon pose. So you're going to be starting in a plank, and you're going to be bringing your knees and your ankle towards your chest, and you'll feel the stretch along your glute, the right glute that is. And then you're going to be holding that for about 3 to 4 seconds, and this is a side view, and you're going to be switching back and forth. Now you can hold longer if you'd like. It will give you a deeper stretch, and this is just me performing both sides. And this one you want to do about 10 reps on each side. This last exercise is a simple knee to chest. So with this knee to chest, what I kind of want you to do is, instead of just laying flat, slightly flex your upper torso so you're working on your core as well. And this will help work the core, and at the same time help stretch the glute muscles and the hip flexor as well. So thank you for watching. If you like the content and if you enjoyed the information that I've given you here, please like, subscribe, and share my channel. I appreciate it. And until I see you guys again, take care.